Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with the foundational chords for the song. We'll begin with G major, C major, D major, and E minor. These four open chords form the backbone of the song's progression. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Pay attention to your finger placement to avoid any muted strings. This solid base will prepare you for the melody. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern that gives Romantic Dreams its feel. The pattern is a simple yet effective down, down, up, up, down, up. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm, counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. The first downstroke of each measure should be slightly emphasized to drive the song forward. Practice this pattern slowly with the chords you just learned. This will build your rhythmic foundation. Now, let's introduce the beautiful melody that defines Romantic Dreams. We'll use a simple fingerpicking approach for the main riff. Focus on plucking the G, B, and high E strings, coordinating your picking hand with the chord changes. For example, over the G major, you might pluck the open G, then the second fret on the B string. This adds a delicate, expressive layer to your playing. Finally, let's bring everything together. Start by playing the chords and strumming pattern, then slowly integrate the melody line. Don't rush. Practice each section at a slow tempo, gradually building speed. A metronome is your best friend for developing consistent timing. Listen to the original song often to internalize its feel and nuances. With dedication, you'll be playing Romantic Dreams beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.